Hey guys! Choosing the best 4K camcorder isn't easy, but I am here to help. Here is my curated list of the absolute best options available right now. Product number 1. Kimire Video Camera Camcorder Digital Camera Recorder. First up, I are looking at a masterpiece of engineering that perfectly holds its ground. I am talking about the Kimire Video Camera Camcorder Digital Camera Recorder. It is abundantly clear that longevity was a primary focus. The sturdy foundation provides an immediate sense of reassurance. You can expect nothing less than flawless execution across a variety of scenarios, providing massive relief to users. It seamlessly integrates into any modern setup without requiring complex configurations or deeply technical knowledge. It boasts an incredibly solid track record regarding long-term reliability, actively minimizing the risk of sudden breakdowns. It offers high-end performance at a price that stays within your means. Tap the link in the description to see how affordable it is. If you want to take your setup to the next level, you genuinely cannot go wrong here. Product number 2. ZYDIIE 4K Video Camera Camcorder UHD 64MP. Let us pivot to another remarkable contender that is dominating the conversation right now. I am talking about the ZYDIIE 4K Video Camera Camcorder UHD 64MP. Right out of the box, the premium craftsmanship shines through immediately, ensuring it will last for a very long time. Performance-wise, it is an absolute powerhouse that refuses to buckle under pressure, featuring a streamlined interface. It is packed with smart, quality-of-life enhancements that you rarely see, heavily elevating the overall user experience. The completely frictionless upkeep process actively removes the traditional ownership headaches associated with similar devices. To find out if there is an active discount or special coupon available right now, make sure to check the direct link down below. It provides a masterclass in combining functionality with design, earning my highest recommendation. Product number 3. FJFJOPK 4K Video Camera Camcorder 64MP Vlogging Camera. Sliding into the next spot is a wonderfully crafted device that you are going to love. I am talking about the FJFJOPK 4K Video Camera Camcorder 64MP Vlogging Camera. What captivated my attention was the exceptionally high-grade materials. It effortlessly radiates durability for your fast-paced lifestyle. What makes this special is its dynamic responsiveness. It intelligently adapts to various situations to keep you operating at your best. Its layout is wonderfully straightforward, successfully eliminating any confusing learning curves entirely. Engineered for ultimate stamina, it effortlessly keeps up with your continuously evolving and demanding everyday needs. It frequently goes on massive seasonal sales, so I highly recommend tapping the link below to verify the current price. I strongly encourage you to consider picking this up, as it will undoubtedly transform your experience. Product number 4. FlyFrost 8K Video Camera 88MP UHD Wi-Fi. Moving on to our list, I have another incredible option that you should seriously consider. I am talking about the FlyFrost 8K Video Camera 88MP UHD Wi-Fi. The structural integrity is second to none, showcasing a robust frame that feels virtually indestructible in everyday scenarios. It operates with a level of smoothness that genuinely elevates the user experience to entirely new heights. The deeply ergonomic structure actively prevents any physical fatigue, making extremely long usage sessions surprisingly comfortable. You will be completely thrilled to discover that it practically runs itself autonomously once it is properly set up. I highly encourage you to tap that first link in the description to see how surprisingly pocket-friendly it actually is. It phenomenally bridges the gap between premium quality and sensible everyday practicality. Product number 5. Sony FDR-AX43 UHD 4K Handycam Camcorder. Up next, I are looking at another brilliant piece of engineering that holds its ground. I am talking about the Sony FDR-AX43 UHD 4K Handycam Camcorder. It is abundantly clear that longevity was a primary focus. The sturdy foundation provides an immediate sense of reassurance. Evaluating its day-to-day usability, it acts as a massive time saver thanks to its highly intuitive design. It brilliantly avoids unnecessary visual clutter, focusing entirely on a minimalist elegance that enhances core functionalities. You can confidently trust this to perform beautifully day in and day out without requiring constant monitoring. The fantastic news is that this option fits beautifully into a reasonable budget. Check the link in the description for active discounts. I highly suggest keeping this on your radar for a completely hassle-free upgrade. That's it for our top picks. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Check the description for links, and I'll see you in the next video.